Hello you lovely people, how are you all doing this beautiful day? I am Ishna and I welcome you back to another video, and this time it's haul time from Myntra. If you are interested to know what all I have purchased from Myntra, mostly fragrances, just saying it out, it's a fragrance haul only with one exception actually. But we will get right into the box as I have got all these products to show and talk about. But before we do so, please spare a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you are notified for all my future uploads. And now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, before we start, I'll just quickly cover what's on my lips today. Can you guess what's on my lips? It's the classic Ruby Woo, of course. I love this one. This is the first matte lipstick that I had ever purchased. So this means a lot to me, and that is exactly what's on my lips today. So yeah, with the lips covered with the quintessential red of all times, let's jump into this basket and see what all I have purchased here. So you have been asking me to do some Bath & Body Works haul for some time. So what did I do? I purchased 3 travel size variants of body mists from them. Let's quickly cover what are all these things that I have purchased. So the first one is this one. This is called Saltwater Breeze. Forget this sticker. They have placed it in a very bad position, so that name is almost hidden. I don't know if I can take it off and whether it will ruin the entire yeah, it ruined, but at least you can now see that it's Saltwater Breeze. But yeah, that is what I have purchased. That is the first body mist. Let's spray. I saw this from one of the recommendations from, I guess, Anandita Chakravarti. I like her a lot, and she recommended this one. So I thought, might as well give this one a try. Okay. First thing, the packaging, the spray looks very flimsy. Okay. Spray is nice. Wow. Wow, it's so fresh. Saltwater Breeze. What am I expecting? It's breezy. It's fresh. It's very nice. It's really very nice. It reminds you of the ocean. Very happy with this one. It's somewhat I don't know, it somewhat reminds me of the hair serum from L'Oreal, the pink one, the purple one. But yeah, it reminds me of that. I don't know, it's definitely fresh, reminds you of clean laundry type. So looking forward to use this. Now this one anyways retails for rupees 699, but I paid rupees 466 for this. So quite happy with this purchase from Myntra. So this is the first one. Second one is Champagne Toast. I have been eyeing this for some time and thought when I'm purchasing, and actually I got it in an offer that you can buy 2 and you will get the third one free. So I actually was placing an order for Saltwater Breeze and this one, and then I saw the third variant and I added. So yeah, that's it. Let's see how this smells. Oh my god, is this sealed by somehow? I didn't notice. No, just got stuck. Anyway, let's spray. Okay, it took some time to spray, which is kind of good that it hasn't been used before. Oh, I don't know, it smells like guava at the first spray. It's definitely champagne and fruity, because there is a bit of sparkling elements I feel. I don't know, there must be some fruit. Right now I can only smell guava, I don't know why. I don't know whether guava is there or not, but it might be some fruit and for sure vanilla. This is a gourmandish fragrance. I love this a lot. Wow. This one might see the day for a bigger bottle. This one also retails for rupees 699, and same I paid rupees 466. So loving this. I mean 466 I paid because actually I'm dividing it into 3 fragrances and I'm saying 466. Otherwise it was 699 for these 2 each, and this one was the free one. which is the darkest variant. Now this one I always see this out of stock, and I didn't want to buy a bigger bottle of this without testing this out. So I waited, and when this went on discount, thankfully this time it was free with the other two purchases. This is the darkest variant, and I'm very excited because I have heard tons of people say very, very good stuff about this, but on the internet, even on Fragrantica, people have said it is on the fence. They like it, they don't like it. Mixed reviews actually. Let's see. But again I checked the fragrance. I saw the reviews actually for the EDT variant. So. Okay, it's a dark. Dark Kiss. The name is justified. It's a dark fragrance. It's a sensual, seductive type fragrance. Slightly gourmandish maybe. Slightly fruity maybe. I don't know the notes, so don't judge this as the final thought. This is the initial impression, of course. But yeah, it is very different from what I usually like. I like this quite a lot. This is strong. It's not for the weaker heart, it's for the strong notes. So keep in mind, if you want to reach out for this, you need to have that edgy personality to rock. That's what I feel from the initial impression. Quite happy with all my Bath & Body Works purchases. Turns out to be good since all were blind buys. Moving on. So next up I have again a set of 3 fragrances from Ajmal. I have 2 fragrances from Ajmal and another one. First, let me talk about this. This is Ajmal's Daisy. I have not seen a lot of reviewers talk about this. I don't know. I think this is a recent launch. Anything? I guess. I'm not sure. It says the license is for 2019, so 2 years have passed, I guess, for when this has been launched. But I honestly have not seen anybody talk about this yet. I might have missed out, or I'm not aware. That might be a possibility. But yes, this is what I got interested looking at the bottle. I'll show you. I love the cardboard packaging. Just look at it. Oh, by the way, if you must be aware, Bath & Body Works doesn't send their mists any outer packaging, so it's kind of risky, but that's how the thing is. Moving on. So the outside packaging is so beautiful. It is called Daisy, so definitely it's a floral fragrance. When I broke the seal, okay, I've got a detailed card for all the fragrances that Ajmal has. Nice. I know then what to look forward to be very honest. Quite happy with this. And when I take it out, I was sad that this didn't have a smaller variant, but just look at this bottle. It is so beautiful. It's not like all the usual bottles of Ajmal. This is very different from Ajmal's design. That is why I was interested, believe me, because all the Ajmal's perfume bottles very much look similar to Attar's and all, which is not bad, but I like classier fragrances and classier bottle designs, and this belongs to that category. So I was intrigued by the packaging. So now let's see how this smells like. Okay. Where should I spray? I didn't even take my nose there. It's lovely. Oh my god, where have you been all my life? This is quite citrusy, fruity, musky for sure, amberine and woody, of course, floral, of course. Yeah, but it's just not a straight floral. It has got the name Daisy, but it's not a straight floral. It's quite more than that. It's not just a mere floral with daisy in it. Wow, I am blown over by this fragrance. It smells really nice. Okay, now this one you're looking at 100 ml, like I said. The marked price for this is rupees 2200. So yeah, this is expensive. So it's not a cheap fragrance for sure. But I got a great discount. I purchased it during the Diwali sale. And I purchased it on 1320. So very happy with the discount. Almost 900 rupees off. So quite Definitely I'll review all of these, so please be patient. If I have too much workload in my office, it becomes very difficult for me to film. I try to film and edit very soon, but then at times it doesn't happen. I've got household responsibilities as well. I'm not giving you excuses, but it becomes at times difficult. I try to, so please bear with me, as you have always been very cooperative, very understanding, and please keep supporting the way you do. So the next perfume is also from Ajmal. This is called Gianna. I have picked up quite different, not the popular ones. This is also a very recent launch, I believe. Let us take a sniff of the fragrance. I'll show you the bottle as well. Okay, I am not liking this bit. So, okay, for the first thing that I don't like about this fragrance is that the lid came off and then came out the bottle. So the lid is not super secure. I love the shape of the bottle. It looks very pretty. It has got a pink liquid. So the name, the look, the bottle shape and everything, this is very nice. The only problem is that storing it will be difficult. I have to store it this way because it's broad. But other than that, this looks nice. I don't like this fact that it doesn't stick well. Despite having this click sound, it's not clicking together. Not liking this. It has a golden lid, but thankfully not the matte golden lid. That is just awful. Okay. Okay, this is not as strong as Daisy, but this is beautiful as well. The first impression that hit me was it smells like saunf. Yeah, it's somewhat floral, somewhat fruity, but spicy as well. I don't know whether spices are there in it or not. I haven't, because this is a haul and first impression. I haven't researched the notes and all that, so I don't know about that. But it smells beautiful. It smells very delicate compared to Daisy. Daisy is strong and very powdery like as well. This is a bit fresh, earthy, floral, fruity, a mix of all, I believe. It heavily reminds me of saunf. I don't know why, but then that is what it reminds me. Quite excited to try this one. But yes, I'm a bit leaning towards Daisy more because it's not strong. It smells incredible. It is not the same for this one. Nonetheless, it is pretty. Oh, you have got this Ajmal detail of all the fragrances here as well. I guess this is a new initiative Ajmal has done, or did they do it earlier as well and I have missed? Not sure actually. This part, don't quote me on this, I'm not sure. But looking forward to use this and give you my review. I haven't seen any others reviewing this as well, so was intrigued by these fragrances when I saw it on Myntra. Again, this is a 100 ml EDP you're looking at, and this retails for rupees 1500, cheaper than Daisy for sure. But I paid rupees 900 for this, so it was quite a good deal again. I'm very excited and looking forward to test out these fragrances and share with you my final thoughts about these. Lastly, I have another fragrance. Last, not for the haul, I have two more products, sorry. Lastly, in fragrance criteria, I have this fragrance from Playboy. This is in the variant Hollywood. I have heard good things about Playboy fragrances. I haven't used it. This is probably the first one that we purchased for my husband. I have another one which I received as a gift. I haven't actually used it much, but it smells very good. That is for sure. So this is how the bottle looks like. It has the Playboy logo at the back, this bunny, and in front you have Hollywood written. Very chic, very basic, very nice packaging. I like the lid. It's quite decent and it's nice. They have got carvings on it as well. So this feels good. It's a heavy plastic, but it feels good. Spray is nice as well. This is a black sprayer. Lovely. This is woody, musky, sensual. Of course, Playboy fragrances are sensual, I guess. I think it has got Bergamot as well, I guess, I'm not sure. It feels fresh in terms of the bergamot side, but it's very sensual and very attractive as well. Quite eager to try this out. My husband and I both share fragrances. If you're watching my video for the first time, then me and my husband, we share fragrances. I don't believe in tags that this is for men, this is for women. Fragrance is unisex, you can wear it. Some will lean towards masculine more, some will lean towards feminine more. That doesn't restrict, I guess, that shouldn't restrict somebody from trying it out. If you like it, please wear it. I mean, nobody should judge you on that ground. That's what I believe. So looking forward to use this and give you my final thoughts. It's very interesting. This is an EDT you're looking at. It's 100 ml and this itself retails for rupees 849. And if I remember correctly, we got an incredible discount. We paid something around 300 or 330. I don't remember. The price will be there on screen so that you will know the exact price we paid. But we got an incredible discount on this. It's not a 50%, it was more than that because I clearly remember it was something around 300 or 350, something like that. So yeah, I was super excited to try this one. I have only 2 more products to share with you. First is this liquid lipstick. This is a matte liquid lipstick from Makeup Revolution, and this is in the shade super tiny, sorry, Diminuer. What? Yeah, Diminuer. So this is a very beautiful brown shade. Okay, this is how the applicator looks like. It's a very generic applicator. Okay, the color is very pretty. This is how the color looks like. I am very much into browns and various shades and nudes and all. This is a slightly darker brown. This will not exactly act as a nude on my skin. But yeah, I'm very excited to try this one. This is the shade. This looks different on the bottle and it looks different on my hand. Not sure how it will look on my lips. I don't want to layer it up on top of Ruby Woo. Sorry, I love Ruby Woo more than anything else. I'm not going to layer it on top and check it out, no matter how much I want to check this out. But yeah, this was there in my wish list for quite a long time. So I thought this time let me try it. You get 3 ml of product in this, and this has a moussey consistency. It doesn't feel anything on my hands, so it will be comfortable on the lips as well. Precisely the formula that I love. This one retails for rupees 695, but I paid rupees 347 for this. So extremely happy and eager to wear this. And last but not the least, a product that I am not supremely happy, I'll be honest. I got these filigree studs. I love big studs to wear on various special occasions, and golden studs. They just look great with saris and all. Now this one, why I don't like the design and all, I like it, and that is why I purchased it. So it's not that I'm surprised with the design or anything or how big this is. This is supposed to be big. The issue with this is the finishing. I don't know whether you will be able to see it or not. The design here is not complete. There is a dent here. It feels like this is not complete. And the wand is very thick as well. Okay, let me wear it and see. By the way, these are part of my Mount Abu jewelry collection. That video, if that has not gone up live yet, will go live soon. So see, this looks very pretty. So that is the look that I wanted, and that is why I purchased it. So up close you will be able to, I mean from far you won't be able to make out the fault or the defect, but up close. So this is how it looks like. So honestly, I like it. I will not say that I don't like it. I like it a lot, and yeah, I simply love it actually. The only thing is this one, there is a design flaw, it's defective. So I am thinking of placing a replacement request for this one because I love this one. I mean, it will jazz up any sari that I wear. But then if this is the situation, then I don't think I can wear it outside because this is distinctly visible that there is a dent in here. I will try to show it to you up close. So up close, if you see, I don't know whether you will be able to make out or not. There is a dent right here. that is not what I expected. This feels decently heavy, so the quality overall has not been compromised. It's just that it's not done properly. Like this one is complete. There is no flaw here whatsoever. But this one has not been done properly. I don't know whether you'll be able to make out the difference when I have placed two next to each other. But this has got a slight dent here, which the other one doesn't have. So no matter, and also the more I see, the more I find out this joint is also broken. Don't know whether you'll be able to see it or not, but yeah, it's not. So not recommending this. If I get a replacement, then I might let you know. And if that replacement is in a good condition, I will definitely let you know, so that maybe I'll update the description box with a comment or anything, so that if it is in a good quality, then you can go ahead and purchase it if you want, because this is a pretty stud, big stud for special occasions, for saris and all. So I got an incredible discount on this. The mark price was rupees 1290 for this one, and I paid rupees 298, close to 300. So the deal was good. It's just that just because it's cheap comparatively, I cannot accept a defective product. That's what. So I'll place a replacement for this. So yes, with that we have come to the end of this Myntra haul, mainly a fragrance haul with exception a bit one or two products here and there. So make sure you check out the description box below if you want to purchase any of these perfumes and all, because the links will be there. In case you enjoyed watching this haul and hauls are your things, then don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and comment in the comment section which fragrance are you interested in most for me to review first. I am honestly more interested in reviewing the Daisy variant first, because I am actually excited about this. But if you want any other fragrance to be reviewed first, please let me know. I can prioritize that as per your wish, and we'll start giving out the reviews. I know I have a lot of pending reviews, but you will see reviews coming one after the other for all the hauls that I have done. So rest assured, I will not forget. Even if I forget, I'll bring it back sometime or the other, because I have purchased quite a lot of fragrances recently. So yeah, it'll take some time to dish out all the reviews. So yeah, that's that. If you have stuck around till the end and watched the entire video, thank you so much. It means the world to me, and I thank you really from the bottom of my heart. And if you have come this far, might as well subscribe to my channel and join this family, and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads, and so that you don't miss out all the hauls of fragrance reviews that I bring your way. You can also follow me on other social media platforms. All the details are there in the description box below and at the end of this video, so make sure you check it out. I'll see you in my next video with some other fragrance review or a haul or something else. But yeah, till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.